In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Canva website to HTML. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HTML embed code to convert your Canva website and transfer it into other platforms. So what you have to do is go over to Canva and open any of the designs that you have. So as you can see for this example, I have this design with 2 pages or 2 slides, conclusions and creation process. So open your design, make sure that everything is saved and properly synced up. And now to convert this Canva website into HTML, click the share option at the top right. Now you will see embed. This is where you will find the HTML options. So you will have the HTML embed code, which is the main thing that we are looking for to embed this into other platforms. So you can just go ahead and copy, or you can use this smart embed link. Keep in mind that for this smart link, only some specific platforms will support this feature. So I highly recommend just using the HTML embed code instead, because this will never fail. So copy this link. And now go over to your specific platform where you want to convert and use this HTML code. So for example, WordPress. In here, I'm going to choose the option to add a new block and choose HTML. Now, if you paste that code that you acquired from Canva when you go over to share and then embed, it is going to be available on your page. So if I switch over to preview, as you can see, the slides are now visible here. So anyone who visits this page is going to see the 2 slides from Canva, and they will be able to swap between them. Of course, if you only have a design with 1 slide, then that is going to appear by default. Anything that you have on your Canva design is going to be transferred over. And all that you have to do is copy the HTML embed code here. Once it is copied, you can paste it onto any page. Make sure that you publish, and people will be able to see the Canva design that you've made. If it doesn't appear on your platform, such as WordPress, for example, make sure that you saved any changes. Usually, it is going to automatically synchronize the changes that you've made, but sometimes you might have to confirm it manually, and after that is done, the embed code will be updated dynamically. And anything new that you add should be transferred over. So as long as you have everything set up through that HTML code, you will be able to have it transferred over into any other website. So use the embed function inside of Canva. I'm using WordPress as an example, of course, but any sort of platform or web editor where you can input HTML will support this process as long as you copy the embed code from the Canva design itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert Canva website to HTML. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.